Everyone, bots at war here again. So today we're going to be building a fully functional house rental website just with AI tools. So we're making use of Lovable.ai versus Bolt and versus Google's Gemini built with Gemini 3. So this is Lovable.ai, this is Bolt. So we're going to be comparing which AI tool can make the best website, the best house rental website. So we'll give it one prompt. I mean, each of them will have the same prompt, and we'll be seeing which AI tool will do it the best. So we'll head over to our ChatGPT and we'll paste in our prompt. So I want to compare two AI builders building a website. So give me a prompt, and okay, so as you can see, I've specified login, sign up, admin page, and other features. So we just send. So the prompt which will give to us, we'll copy it and we'll head over to our first AI tool, which will be Google Gemini 3. Okay, so let's see. ChatGPT says beautifully functional house rental property. Wow, this is pretty good prompt, guys. This
What?
pretty good prompt. Okay, so we'll copy this prompt. Okay. Yeah, I think let's just end it here. Okay, so copy this prompt. We'll head over to build with Gemini 3. Okay, we're on Gemini 3 flash preview. Describe your app idea. We'll paste it in the prompt box. So there we go. And we'll tap on the build. Okay, so on the left side of the screen, we can see this is our prompt, and we can see how Gemini 3 is actually reasoning on how to make this website. Then on the right side, this is where we'll preview our website and see how good it is. So let's just give it some time. Once it's done, we'll come and check this site. Okay, it has started generating the, as you can see, the index.html, the type.ts. So it's making use of TypeScript and yeah, a little bit of I don't know if it's using Tailwind or just plain CSS. But anyway, let's see what we'll get at the end. So make sure you like this video. Please support me, subscribe. You know, it takes me a lot of time to do this video, so please support my page. You know, it's actually done building our site. So let's see what we got. Okay, so it's called Look Stay. Let's just enlarge this. Okay, so we've got a little this is beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. We got our nav bar. How do you say browse, log in, sign up? Yeah, that's good. We'll have a little search bar. Yeah, and it actually works. It can sort out what we're looking for based on what we search. And then we'll search on beach, cabin, looks, modern, countryside. Okay, this is great, guys. This is great. And you can also like do a price range search. So it's not bad. It's not bad. Let me just refresh. It's actually great. Let me see the other features which it allows me to have access to. Let's just load. I actually know why it's taking a little bit of more time. Bro, what just happened? Okay. So here it is. Okay, so I've escape your dream getaway. Okay, discover links. Let's just okay, it's not really that complex of a website. Yeah, not really that complex. Okay, let's explore the different features. So if we click on browse, what happens? Okay, so nothing happens when we click on browse. Let's try and explore links. Nothing happens. Let's enter one of these. I don't know how to call it, but let's just enter. Okay, so when we enter one of them, we've got a details page. I mean, yeah, this looks like more of a page which was built using React. Yeah, okay, so okay, the images for someone who can edit the website, yeah, you can give it your own images and it will give you better results. Okay. So we have hosted by an expert owner, 8 guests, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. So self check, great location, and our little box here with the pricing. I check in, I check out, our guests, how many guests, and then you can reserve. Okay, so this one you're actually booking a house, right? It's not like you'll live there forever. You're just booking it. You get. So what this place offer: a pool, a kitchen, air conditioner, Wi-Fi, and free parking. So yeah, okay, let's try and see if the login sign up page actually works. Okay, it let me just try and create an account. John. Okay. Oh, okay. I forgot how to sign up. Okay, yeah, John alias gmail.com. Okay. The password, let's just say John1234, and we sign up. Okay. John. Sorry, my bad, my bad. That was my error. I was trying to log in instead of sign up. Sorry. John, let's just say John Doe. Then we have the email john@gmail.com. Okay, rent properties. Okay, this I want to. So you can choose between rent properties and list my properties. But anyway, rent properties, and then we join. Wow, this is good. This is good, guys. So as you can see, your bookings, you haven't booked anything yet. So let's start exploring now and book and see if something will actually happens here. So when we log in, we'll have a little dashboard. We'll got our profile picture. We'll have a logout button. So, okay, let's explore our dashboard. Okay, nothing happens after that. So let's explore. Let's try book one and see what happens. So if I reserve this, okay, let me just put in some digits. 2001. Check out. Let's say 2005. Okay, so our total fee, it calculates it and it tells us. Then reserve processing. Okay, guys, this is great. I mean, this is a very good website from Gemini to read. This is really good. That's what I'm talking about. The little bit of tweaking of our prompt is gonna look better. No code. I didn't have to code anything. So yeah, this makes sense. This makes a lot of sense. So I'll be giving my final comments on the who actually did best at the end of this video. So stay tuned, keep watching. So this is what we got. So let me just log out of this. Okay. So we'll move over to our second AI tool, which is Lovable.ai. Okay. So we'll head back to our ChatGPT. We'll make sure we copy back all of this. We'll paste in the prompt in here in our prompt box. And we send. What Lovable.ai actually did is it comes, it will tell you, okay, let's start building this. It will ask you a little bit of questions on what you're trying to build. Then you accept, or you specify what you want. Then after, it will come and ask you other questions again, which are consuming the free credits which they give you. You keep answering questions. You say, okay, start building something. He'll still come and ask you another question. I don't understand, guys. Am I the one who's having difficulties with this, or I don't just get? Because I just find out with how easy it was to use Gemini 3 in building a website. I mean, Lovable.ai just puts that very difficult. I mean, what is this? Like, the thing asked me like more than 5 questions, which I keep saying yes. And it keeps just writing me a plan without actually building something. So this isn't easy, guys. He just kept asking me, as you can see, I said yes, start building all, and he just keep asking me questions. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on here. And then it actually finished the free credit which they gave to me. So it's a shame. It's a shame, guys. At the end, nothing was done. He just kept asking me questions, and the free credit they give you is just for you to be answering questions with it. So at the end, you get nothing.
And I've got to say, in all honesty, Um, it's the biggest piece of dog shit that I have ever heard.
So anyway, um, we'll just let this be. We'll move over to our third AI tool, which is Bolt. Okay, so Bolt is actually one of the best AI builders which we have out here right now, because it's also free and it lets us have a little bit of AI credits for free to build whatever we want. So we'll head back to our ChatGPT. We'll copy the same prompt and we'll paste it over on Bolt and we'll let it cook. Bolt is done generating, and yeah, this is what I get: a blank page is done generating, and this is what I get. So I got a blank page with a message telling me that you've hit your daily limit. So I'm trying to know, like, what can I do here, because it's not actually free from what I'm seeing. They give you a little bit of AI credits, then you just do a little bit of work and that's all.
Overrated as fuck, in my opinion. I mean,
so anyway, let's just move on to the conclusion. So we're going to categorize this in three different stuff. So first, we'll say ease to use. Second, how to access, like, is it easy or not? And third, feature customization. Okay, so we can clearly see that Google Gemini 3 won this clearly.
that's what I'm talking about. That's why he's the MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
Because firstly, it's free. Secondly, it's easy to access. And thirdly, you can keep customizing your features just at the prompt bar found over here. So you can keep customizing it here. And I can say, ask it to change something, do this, do that for free, guys, completely for free. I mean, how is this even legal? And then secondly, the website is good, though it hasn't done all what we needed, but from here you can actually like tweak in the prompts, ask it to do whatever you want, and there you have it. So we'll classify this as first. Second, I'll go with Bolt. Why did I choose Bolt? Firstly, yeah, Bolt 2 is easy to access. Secondly, Bolt doesn't ask me some kind of creepy, funny questions before generating the text, the website. So I'll give Bolt second, though it requires AI credits because the free quotas which you give is not enough. So yeah, but according to my research and everything, Bolt actually goes straight to the point. So far as you have the AI credit, goes straight to the point and gives you what you want. And then from this prompt bar which you have over here, you can keep customizing it and asking it what it should change and what should be done on the website. So I'll put this in position number 2. And for the third, we'll have Lovable.ai. Why did I choose Lovable.ai as a third? It's simple. Firstly, Lovable.ai didn't just take me and go straight to the point. It started asking me a lot of questions, which my prompt was very specific. And then I answered them, and it uses that as inside your AI credits. Meaning the questions which you're answering is using that inside your AI credit and it's eating it up. Then at the end, for it to go straight to the point, it keeps asking you more questions. So I don't understand. And then it just comes and lands you a building page and telling you your AI quotas for today is over and you have to pay to continue. So that's actually a marketing strategy which is excellent. I'll give them credit for that. Firstly, that's very creative. Yeah. So they deserve that clap. And I don't know how much do they actually sell their credits. Let's see. If I say okay, so they give it at $25 per month. Okay, and you get 100 credits per month. Okay, so let's check for the others. Both, if we click on upgrade, well, okay, the same actually. Most of them take $25 per month. and they have a yearly plan for both, which is 18 for Pro and $27 for, I don't know, Team. Yeah, Team. Anyways, this is good. It's actually good, though. Uh, Gemini 3 doesn't require any of that, so it's a straight win. So, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Please comment, like, share the video, and just write down which AI tools you would like us to compare next, so we can get really creative here, guys. So anyway, just comment what you want us to create next. Thank you for watching and have a great day.